Pen, hello.
Kuyawan man ta ani. Uy, unsa man ni?
Mo na itaod na siya sako ah.
Ala.
Itaod na sa sako ang kamot.
So hi guys, for today's video, we're going to unbox, to unstyro. So this is an order from, hindi na siya sponsor, sponsor nila mo ba na? So sponsor niya siya sa kumbana. Okay. Ang miss niya kung unsay sulod ani. So akong hilingon no sabi sinaapay lain. So now guys, we are unboxing the order from Lazada. So this is not a sponsored vlog from Lazada. Actually, I ordered it and then my husband paid for it. He surprised me by paying it, and because he know that I really need those stuff. So this is a freebie from the Stylus Pen. This is not the legit one. So this is the Stylus Pen. So Chinese. And then disclaimer lang, this is not original. I've been trying to find the original Xiaomi pen, pero all of the reviews na nakita na ko, they are all like class A lang. And this one is also class A. Pero nami siya, nindot ang mga review sa store. So, why not? So, less than 1,000 pesos. And here, kind of heavy. May ano siya, may weight siya. Not the other one, not the pen sa amo a drawing pad. It's kind of heavy. May weight siya. And also, the cord. And the user manual. So, very important, the user manual. Pero, yeah, there's an English. How to use? We have here, let's go to product pictures muna. Stylish and minimalist style, aluminum alloy with piano baking varnish, calm and luxurious. Yeah, very luxurious. And the tip of the pen is made of special. Okay, the tip is good. Smooth tip, yeah, to prevent damage. Yes, that's right. It won't damage. And also, that's why I ordered the tampered. Thank you for paying. And it is compatible with 98% of capacitive touchscreen. So, not 100%. Very honest. And continuous use up to 8 to 10 hours. Okay. 5 to 30 minutes without smart power up. Okay. Here, it's the press button. So, how to use? So, this is the on-off button. See? It lights. Ilaw siya. Then, you can operate. Okay. Through instead. Immediately daw. There is no need to, Let's try. So, oh, it runs smoothly. So, let's go to our whiteboard. This is what I've been using for in the online classes and other businesses that we have. So, okay, let's start. Let's say, I usually do the mathematics here. So, let's say 2 times 2. Oh, it's so smooth. You can see? Smooth.
How's the feeling? So,
it's like writing in a paper.
Wow.
Right. Here, I will draw the logo. Ah, it's good. Seems legit. Pero, you have here. So let me see. I really love it. So, let's say, how are you? Oh, nice. I can really use it in discussions, in meetings, and everything. This is really good. Let's try another application. Let's have here. I have here a drawing desk. Okay, and it's really nice to have this drawing desk. So let's say I will not resume. Maybe I will be showing you some personal things. So you can see I can move the ruler properly. You see. Oh, there you go. It's nice. Very nice. I won't be having a hard time for my tutorial. And maybe hopefully I can start my YouTube channel for the classes. This is very good. I love it. I really love it.
How about the pen? Does it have buttons for erase or redo, undo?
No, I think no.
Okay, just the
on and
just
off.
the power button.
Let's
Okay.
try if it's off.
So anyway,
Wala pa. So
Oh.
I will just off it, and then let's see if it's still working. Oh, it's not working.
huh?
It's not working when it's off.
Paano mag-work yung pen pag naka-off?
No, what I'm trying to say. How stupid. No, what I'm trying to say is that we did not connect it. Like you know, you need not to have an application like that or to tap it somewhere. All you need to
So
do
in
is
short,
just on.
it's
and
on the
then-
go. Just
Yeah,
you tap
just like
the
that.
on button, then
Yeah. And it seems like that they are really compatible with each other because, diba, I have other pad before, and then I bought a pen, and that pen was Samsung brand. Then the same time we need to connect, like you need to connect it like in I forgot how I did it, but you need to connect it first. Now here I was so surprised when I turned it off. It's not working, diba? So you're laughing for that stupid idea. And anyway, the Mi Pad has a magnet button.
charging. Okay.
It's not really the charging, but it's a magnet. Let's try. Oh, yeah, that's it. That will be the basis if it's legit or not. So it's not compatible, diba? If for the original one, when you tap it, then it will just, stay it there. So nothing. Anyway, so cool. And now let's go to how to charge it. I'm opening it. Here's the charging slot. So we need to, let's check if it's working, if it's charging. So you have it here. I have here. We can charge it directly using a power bank or in the laptop or wherever we can charge it. Very nice. Let's try if it's working, if it's charging. I have here a power bank. Okay. Let's check if it's working. Oh, there you go. It's charging.
So if it's charging, the color
Will be red.
will be red.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know. It doesn't indicate here if it will change.
Diba kanina blue yan pag on mo?
It will be blue if you will turn it on.
But if you charge it, it turns red.
Red. It gives the
that
red.
that's the light indicator color.
But it doesn't have any indication here that what color will be. Diba? Sometimes it will change, pero I don't know. Let's see. And hopefully it will last longer. It won't be a waste of money. But overall, it's good. So I have to uncharge it first. I have to unplug it first. Okay. Oh, I think it will turn green if it's full charge na. But anyway, I have to unplug it first because I have a lot of things to do pa, and I will update you how many hours I've been using it. So it's 5:05 already and I have still an appointment, so I have to go now. Thank you for watching. I'll keep you posted about the pen.
Okay, so from 1 to 10, how will you rate the new pen?
As of now, I will rate it like 8. It's high already. 8, because I will still update you. It might go up, but for now it's 8. I'm satisfied. Let's see until where ang iyang capacity, and hopefully it will last again. Hopefully it will last longer. Right? So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to channel Music Plus Life, and also don't forget to hit that notification button for updates about anything. It's about everything. So see you then. Bye bye. I really like the pen. It's working nicely.
1, 2, 3, 4.